Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you.
BMW just announced that it will be producing its last V12-powered production vehicle in June this year. The only BMW that comes with a V12 engine now is the M760i xDrive sedan, and yes, that 7 Series will indeed be the car that will carry BMW's last V12. To commemorate this occasion, BMW is going to make a final V12 special edition version of the M760i, of which only 12 will be built for the US market. Before we get into what makes the final V12 special, let's talk about the V12 engine itself. BMW's current V12 engine is a big 6.6-liter twin-turbo that makes a whopping 601 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That's good enough for a 0 to 60 miles per hour run of just 3.6 seconds in the big, old sedan. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and, fun fact, the M760i performs launch control starts from second gear instead of first on account of the enormous torque it makes low down in the reverend range. As for what makes the final V12 special, it gets a number of unique design and styling touches. To start, BMW adds a V12 badge on the rear. The standard M760i has no such exterior badging. The 20-inch wheels are painted either window gray or jet black, then burnished to reveal a dark silver surface highlight. Those wheels will also be hiding the customer's choice of either blue or black brake calipers. As you'd expect, BMW has its full individual paint color selection available to choose from. BMW says customers can choose from over 80 different exterior colors. Unfortunately, the only photo we have of the car now is of the V12 badge set against some beautifully shimmering black paint, so we'll need to wait to see the final product. On the inside, you're greeted with the final V12 door sill plates. The same inscription can also be found on the V12's engine cover. A console-mounted plaque reads, 1 of 12 inches to make sure anybody riding along in the car knows its exclusivity, too. As you might expect, all final V12 editions will come with every option box checked. You'll even get a custom-built desk trophy that lists the paint color, interior leather option and VIN of your specific M760i. To buy this special 7 Series, it sounds like you'll have to be approached by BMW instead of waltzing into a dealer. Only select clients with a long history of V12 7 Series ownership will be approached, so if that's not you, your chances of buying are slim. For those who bought the original BMW 750i way back in 1987 with its 5.0-liter V12 and have stuck with BMW V12s all these years, then we suspect there's a chance one of these final V12s could have your name on it.